Hello guys, in this video I will guide you on how to remove lock screen password, pin or pattern on your Samsung phone, and the process is quite simple. First things first, if I lock my Samsung phone currently, you can see that I do have a pattern as the lock screen. Yours can be a pin or a password, and to remove it, all you just have to do is to head over to the settings of your Samsung phone. So open up the phone and then head over to the settings of your Samsung phone. Now you just want to scroll all the way down until you get to the lock screen settings over here. Select that, and then at the top you can see that lock screen and biometrics, a pattern is actually selected. Yours can be a pin or a password. You just want to select that, proceed to enter your password, pin or pattern, and once you're done, from the list of options you have as lock screen for your Samsung phone, just go ahead and select on the none option over here, and that is basically all you have to do. Now if you lock your Samsung phone and try to open it up again, you will no longer be required to enter your password, pin or pattern. If you find this video useful, please make sure you smash the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel guys.